Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows bootable USB flash drive. So these are the steps you need to follow for this. The first step is download Windows ISO file. So you have to download the Windows ISO file first. Let's go to our internet browser. From here to that link. As you can see, you can download Windows from here. If you want to download 64-bit window, you should click x64, and if you want to download 32-bit window, you should click x86. So after downloading this, the next step you have to follow is download and run Rufus. So first we have to download Rufus from the browser. Let's write here Rufus, and here it is. From here, download Rufus. Yes, it had downloaded. Now open the software. From here, you have to select the ISO file you have downloaded for the Windows. So from here, locate the ISO file you have downloaded. Mine is here. There it is. And select the partition scheme to MBR. After this, you can see the USB is selected here. Now we have to start. Press OK. Now our USB has become Windows bootable. So let's see. Here it is. Now you can install Windows from your USB. And here's a quick review of the today's video, the steps you have to follow. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.